In this video, I'll be showing how to create an account on the Bybit app. And also, I'll be showing how to verify the account, because without verifying the account, you won't be able to use the app. So I'll be showing the step-by-step way of creating the account and verifying the account. The Bybit app is used to store cryptocurrency, trade cryptocurrency, and also buy and sell cryptocurrency. So I'll also be making a video on how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on the Bybit app. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video so that you get a notification when I drop that video. So let's get in. So first you go to your Play Store or iOS to download the app. So this is how the app icon looks like. So after downloading the app, you open it. Then you click on sign up. So you can either use email or your phone number. But for this video, I already have an account there on the app. But for this video, I'm using another email just to show you guys how it's done. So for this video now, I'm using this email. Then you put in your password. Your password must be between 8 and 30 characters. It must have one small letter, one capital letter, and it must have one number. So I'm putting in my password. So you click on sign up. So this is just a security measure that you just have to go through. So you make sure this box matches each other. Now they have sent a verification code to my email. So I'll go to my email now to get the code. So I've gotten the verification code from my email. So I'm going to insert it. So welcome. So I've opened the Bybit app. So now I'm going to verify the account. To verify the account, now you click on verify. So you can either verify the account with BVN, your ID card, your driver's license, your passport, or resident permit. So now maybe I'm using BVN. I'll click on B and I'll click on confirm. I'm not in the United States, I'm in all countries except US. So I'll click on that and I'll press continue. So you're putting your personal information here. So you put your country, put your BVN, then your last name to continue. I already have an account there, that's why I'm not doing this now. But this is how to verify with your BVN. So I'm going back. If you try to verify with your ID card, it's the same thing. So you click on ID card and you click confirm. I'm not in USA, so I'll click on all countries except USA. Then you snap your ID. So all the process is the same thing. If you want to try other processes too, they are all the same thing. Your driver's license, your passport, your residence permit, they are all the same. But I recommend BVN as first to verify the account so that I can start using the account immediately. So thank you guys for watching this video. So on my next video, I'll be showing how to buy and sell on the Bybit app. So make sure you like and subscribe to be notified about the video. All right, see you on the next video.